Jah works when me do so. Yo, me say no man, sure, fight the dread, and them not stop fighting, but yo, we don't know what I've been through. Them only see me when me rich, when me rich. They don't know what I had to do, but I've the heart to crush me faith. Rasta man, they don't know what I've been through. Them only see me when me rich, when me rich. They don't know what I had to do. Hear this one now. Sight them a sight me a roll, me alone. Ever brave and bold, Jaja works when me dead on patrol. Humble like a lamb, so Jah take control. Me no say a thief, heathens want me soul. So them a profess to be my friends and foes. Not carry no weapon, so they think I'm phone. Little do they know I'm like a king on Jah throne. They don't know what I've been through. Them only see me when me rich, when me rich. They don't know what I had to do, but I've the heart to grudge me faith. Rasta man, they don't know what I've been through. Them only see me when me rich, when me rich. They don't know what I had to do. Hear this one now. The road is rocky, I know the road rough, and this lifelong journey it lonesome and tough. Life is a bitch and the bitchin' can't stop. I think I chat for all of us. When I say I had enough, just look over politicians have the place fucked up. When there's a nest for your bird and a hole for your fox. The youths in the ghetto have it hard and tough, and politicians have it vex when we gun them bust. Life is a struggle till me butter fi go bubble. Lord have mercy, they don't know what I've been through. Them only see me when me rich, when me rich. They don't know what I had to do, but I've the heart fi grudge me faith. Rasta man, they don't know what I've been through. Them only see me when me rich, when me rich. They don't know what I had to do. Hear this one now. To see the newness of the morning when just sunrise. Dew drops on the flower surface look so nice. It is so pleasing to my soul, it make me feel right. The breeze a blow, the birds a whistle under one vibe. They take a whiff of mother nature and get energized. Jah Jah bless you with the best things you no realize.